Why is my Facebook online status not accurate?
Hello and welcome to today's topic, a common question many Facebook users face. Why is my Facebook online status not accurate? We'll dive into this and explore possible reasons and solutions.
Understanding Facebook online status.
Facebook online status shows when a user is active or was last active on Facebook or Messenger. It appears in the chat window and in the friends list. However, sometimes you might have noticed that it's not accurate. Here's why this discrepancy might occur. 1. Delayed updates. Sometimes, Facebook might delay the updates to the online status due to server issues. This could lead to inaccuracies. 2. Multi-device usage. If you're using Facebook on multiple devices or browsers, it could confuse the system and display inaccurate online status. 3. Background app refresh. On mobile devices, apps like Facebook could still run in the background even after you've closed them. This might be interpreted as being online.
How can I fix this?
You might be wondering, is there a way to fix this? Well, yes. Here are a few steps to try. 1. Refresh the page. The first and easiest step is simply refreshing your page or restarting the app. 2. Log out from all devices. To ensure that the issue isn't due to multi-device usage, try logging out of all devices and then log back in. 3. Check your settings. Make sure that your settings aren't causing the problem. For instance, disabling the background app refresh for Facebook on your phone might help.
Can I turn off my online status?
If you're concerned about your privacy or simply don't want people to see your online status, you can turn off your active status. To do this, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Find the active status or privacy settings. 3. Choose to turn off your active status. Remember, though, that if you turn off your active status, you won't be able to see others' active status either. I hope this video was helpful in understanding why your Facebook online status might not be accurate and how you can troubleshoot this issue. Remember, it's often due to delayed updates, multi-device usage, or background app refresh. But, with some simple steps, you can usually solve the problem. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.